Come with me as I go on this lovely staycation. If you have not gone on a staycation before, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? This is just a well-deserved staycation. It's a 3 days, 3 days, 3 nights. So 4 days and 3 nights. So we spent the first night in Hilton, Cheltenham. The staycation was in Gloucester, Cheltenham Spa to be precise. So we lodged in Hilton. It's a 10 ladies staycation. So it's a group staycation, 10 of us. And I happened to be one of them. One person didn't come, making 9 of us. This is the Hilton. So we lodged in Hilton, and we took 5 bedrooms. So each bedroom has 2 single beds. So 2 people, 2 ladies shared a room, but it was a very comfortable room. Look at it. This is the bathroom. Very lovely, up to standard. So lovely. This is how the bathroom looks like. They've got so many towels. This is one of the towel on the because we are 2 in the room, so we have 2 of everything. So this is the towel. That's the bath. And it's got the shower, the shampoo, the conditioner, and the shower gel inside the bath. We've got another extra 2 towels again, and there's a towel on the bath. And here we have body lotion and the hand soap if you need to wash your hand. That's the dustbin, and this is what the bathroom looks like. It looks so lovely. And this is that's like the hook to hang any of the clothes. That's the standing mirror. That's the AC over there. It's well framed, and then we're given cookie. We're given 2 cookies and 2 bottled water each. So one of us takes 1 cookie and 1 bottled water. So this is what the room is giving. Those are the frames. That's like where you can just put your leg. And this is what the curtain is giving. It's a grey colored curtain, a tall curtain. And that's the double bed. That's the 2 beds for myself and the other lady. This is what the room is giving. Simple and classic, just like the regular Hilton. Hilton has different sections. So this is the tea section just beside the bed. That's the AC over there. The AC was really blasting. I really enjoyed it because I was coming from the hot sun. This is summer. So the AC really made my day. And when I checked in, I had to get like 2 hours nap. It was so good. And that is the remote. I'm just trying to see what's showing on the TV. It's the LG TV. So I'm trying to see what's on the TV. This is what the key looks like. This is what the key looks like. So we're in room 418. So once you just tap the door opens. It's automatic. And this is the cookie. That's my own cookie. So we're giving 1 cookie each and 1 bottled water. It's a mineral water. Yes, that's the bottled water. This is a spring water. Yes, spring water. Then I was trying to make a cup of tea for myself. We've got skimmed milk. So I just boiled the water. I boiled the water. I used this Yorkshire tea. there were so many, there are a variety of teas there and coffee. And these are the different types of sugar, low calorie sweetener. I didn't use that one. I used this one. I used this brown sugar. I used that brown sugar. So, but we've got other sugars. This is white sugar. This is white sugar. That's the coffee. I didn't use that one. This is a decaffeinated coffee. I didn't use that one. The skimmed milk. Yeah, we had 4. So I only used 2 for myself and I kept 2 for my roommates. And that's the tea. I already poured hot water in the tea, so I'm putting 2 of my skimmed milk and my brown sugar. So this is what I had before I took a nap because I was so tired. The sun was really so. I think we were on 20 degrees thereabouts because it was so sunny, or even more than. So I just took a cup of tea with the rest of the cookie that we were given. You know, I had my tea, and then when I woke up from my nap, I went to the gym. This is what the gym is giving. Can you see? It's a very, very, very standard gym. They've got everything. So I just had to use, I think I used the bike one, and I used the, which one again? I think I went on 3 or 4 of them. There is one that looks like a step. I used that one. I used the treadmill, and after then we went to the jacuzzi. That's me and my roommate. And after then I went to the pool. This is what the pool side is giving. That's what the pool is giving. So around the pool, we've got the jacuzzi, the sauna, and the rest of them. It was just so refreshing, you know, after a long day in the train. So this is the washroom, the changing room, and the shower room. So here you can just dry your swimming trunk. You can dry your swimming trunk here. It's very quick. Within is it 10 or 20 seconds, your swimming trunk is dry. Hello everyone.
Hello.
This is our staycation, and I have my roommate with me. Her name is Oge, Dr. Oge. Hello, Oge. Are you having fun?
Oh my God. Having fun is an understatement. Enjoying myself.
So, Oge, why did you come for this staycation?
Just to relax and rest, relieve the stress from family, from work.
Stress is too much.
Just once in a while something. Treat yourself very good. We women, sometimes we feel so bad because we are leaving family and this one.
Yeah.
But it's very necessary to have that fun.
Honestly.
To look after yourself. Self-care.
Self-care is so important. And then what have you done today? We've done so many activities.
Yes, gym.
We've gone to the gym. We've gone to the sauna.
Then jacuzzi. And then the pool. Oh, they were so
And then did you go for the steaming?
Yes.
Did you go for the steaming eventually? You know, opposite that sauna is steaming.
I didn't go.
There's actually a steaming, but I didn't even know. I thought there were 2 sauna.
Yeah.
So we really had fun. We checked in about 4, but I mean, this is like 10 o'clock, and we really had fun. And then we ate full chicken.
Yes.
Full chicken given to us by our next roommate.
With suya spices.
With suya spices.
And
pear. And nice combination. We're just having fun. We're just freestyling and having fun.
Yeah.
And honestly, it's
well-deserved.
It's a well-deserved holiday. It's a well-deserved one. So, okay, will your children be missing you? Have you got a family?
I think so, yeah.
And would they be missing you?
They were crying. They wanted to follow me, but then
this is a mama. This is a mama's staycation.
Let me treat myself. I've been treating them.
Yeah. Yeah. So
your children will not allow you to rest.
They will not allow me to rest. See my roommate.
Hello. You guys are not sleeping.
We are doing YouTube video. We are doing YouTube video. We are about to sleep, but want to do short YouTube video. Eh? We went to the pool now. We're not allowed to take phone. We went to the pool, I'll send pictures to you. So you're not allowed to take worried.
You don't tell me anything.
Ah, sorry. Oh. Should I be telling you everything? I came to enjoy myself. Oh. No. I went to the pool. And then I'll show you. Eh? I saw your missed call. We are doing video. I'll call you later. We are doing YouTube video.
No, you're not gonna call me later.
And then leave me, please. I came for staycation. Baby. I came for staycation. Let me enjoy my life. Have you eaten?
Yes.
What did you eat?
Yeah. Eba.
Okay. What of my... Eh?
I still play with this back from Poundland.
Oh, you even bought jelly. What's this jelly? Friday, let me call you back so that we are recording a video. How is everybody? Let me call you back. You're almost... So guys, you need to start a staycation. You need to go on a staycation, honestly, because this our body is what we are the ones working, and we need to treat this body.
Yes.
So you guys,
if you don't have money for vacation, then staycation is the best option.
Exactly.
Because I wanted to travel out. I wanted to travel to Albania. But then I didn't book early, and the price was now
high
so much
because of the summer.
So I
just changed to this, and it's not bad at all. I mean, this is the first day, and look at it. We've really, in fact, I don't even know how tomorrow will be. Tomorrow we are going to Cotswolds. We'll be going to Cotswolds, and then we'll be going to another accommodation again.
And Niger party.
And we're going to have a Niger party. Everybody, did you bring
and dance? And
did you bring green? Did you bring
I don't have anything green.
So, although the post dress code is green, but anything
white or green.
White or green. Yeah. But anything goes. So tomorrow is going to be another fun. Today has been really, it's like today was for self-care.
Yes.
You know, massaging, the sauna and everything is so good, and we're going to have lovely sleep this night. I don't even know when I'm going to wake up tomorrow. But we shouldn't miss Hilton's breakfast, because Hilton's breakfast is always lovely, and it's going to be what's it called? This serve yourself
buffet.
It's going to be buffet.
Okay.
So we don't want to miss it. And then, in fact, tomorrow is just going to be really fast paced, because we have to go. We plan to go and swim in the morning, and then we'll have breakfast.
Want to go to that pool
and
again.
Then we want to go to the pool. We want to have breakfast. We want to go to Cotswolds, and then we are checking out here and going to accommodation. So it's just a lot, and then we're having our party in the night. You know, so it's just a lot, but we are really having fun. So we're just checking in with you guys, and then I'm introducing Oge to you. All right, guys. See you later. Bye.
We'll keep you updated.
We'll keep you updated, okay? Bye. So this is day 1, and then we'll keep you updated tomorrow. Bye, guys.